Let's see how to get your team up and running in Microsoft Teams. All right, so I'm opening Microsoft Teams now. First, on the left side here, click on Teams. Then on the top right, you will see Join or Create a Team. Click on that option and then click Create a Team. You will then see two options. You'll start from scratch or use an existing group. So I'm just going to choose build a team from scratch to build a basic team. Click on that and then it will then ask you to pick your privacy setting. I'll go with private so only invited people can join. But if you want everyone in your organization to join freely, you can pick public instead. It will then ask you to give your team a name and a description and then hit create. There you go. Our team is ready. So after that, it will then ask you to add some people in your team. You can just type in their names or email addresses here. I'm adding a friend here, for example. And then you can click add when you're done and then close. Easy, right? So next up is how to keep things tidy with channels. Click this three-dot menu next to your team name. And then you will see there manage team, add further members, add channels, and other necessary options. Let's try to add a channel. You can name your channel and make a description for it and also choose the channel type. You can make it in standard, shared, or private. So if you make it private, that means only specific people will see it. Otherwise, make it standard and just hit add. To create the conversation going in your team, click on the channel that you just created. And right here at the bottom, you'll see an option to start a post. You can type a message or an announcement. And if you want to get someone's attention, just type the @ symbol followed by their name to tag them. If you need to share a file, just click a little paperclip icon here to pick your file and then send it. So that's it. Your team is set up, organized, and ready to go. That's how to get your team up and running in Microsoft Teams. See you soon.